Hi there. Today I want to show you how to use the Verifyle PDF Editor tool, which now includes the ability to merge multiple PDFs into a single document. So without further ado, let's jump right in. You're looking at my Verifyle home screen here. You can see all of my workspaces here on the left. I'm going to go ahead and open one of them by clicking it. Now you can see my guests at the top and my workspace threads down here. I'm going to click this workspace thread to open it. Now you can see I've already got several documents here attached to this workspace thread. So we'll start with this contract agreement document. To access the PDF editor, you have to preview the document. So I'm going to go ahead and click the document name and then click the preview button to open the preview. Now you can see a preview of this document. To edit the document, you just have to click this purple pen icon at the top right here. So I'm going to click that. And now you can see we are in edit mode. And there's lots of things I can do here. I can add an annotation. So if I click add annotation, I can add any notes anywhere on the document here. So I might add a little note here. Click it again to add another note. And I can add as many annotations as I'd like. I could also always change the font if I didn't want it to look like handwriting. Another thing I can do when I'm in edit mode is delete pages from the document. So let's say I don't want this page here. I can just click the X and that page goes away. Maybe I don't want this one. I can click that X and that page goes away. Inside the Verifyle PDF editor, you also have the ability to merge multiple PDF documents into a single document. To do that, you click Merge Documents here at the top left, and then you'll be able to choose the PDFs that you'd like to merge into a single document. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a few of these here. I'm going to click Merge 4 Documents. Now you can see all of the documents have been merged into a single PDF. So I may want to delete a few pages from this PDF, and I may want to add a few more annotations. When I'm finished merging, deleting pages, and adding annotations, I can click the Next button here. And now I can choose where I want to put this merged document. So I may want to rename it. And then let's just say I want to put it into a thread for myself. So I'm going to choose the My Private Notes thread here. Click Next. Now when I click Send, the merged document will appear in this thread that I've selected. You can see it here. If I preview this, I can see that this is all of those documents merged into a single PDF. That's it.